Mafiaa, yeah. What up, though, gang? How y'all feeling this thing? Welcome back, y'all. It's so KieKie. We do our own thing and we stay our own lane, cause we kill them with kindness. Believe it, y'all. So happy Black History Month, y'all. Happy Black Love Month. Hope y'all feeling it. Hope y'all get into the groove. Learn one thing that you did not know about your Black history. You dig. But yeah, I've been tired, but I've been working. I've been tired because I've been working. And it's been going so good. It's a happy tired. Like, I love this tired. It's like, yeah, get up, grind, get back to it. So that's what I've been doing. In this video, you'll see like me doing a little slight thing. I'm cleaning out my studio. So I finally could get back into the groove, need a fresh relook on things, and I got a little bit more things, so I gotta like redecorate so I can fit everything type situation. But we're gonna get back on those sewing tutorials and everything. I didn't slack off, y'all. I didn't slack off. I'm just building the empire. also, I'm gonna be going to my grandma's house, and I'll be doing a little bit of content there just to spend time with her, just to kick it with her, to see what she doing. And my auntie. So I'm excited because I think I'm ready to take the next step, y'all, and to collab with some YouTubers. I want to send them some custom merch with their name on it or their YouTube name on it, just to show them like what I do and to get my name out there type situation. But I've been very picky and choosy who I want to send it to, because Suited is my brand. That's the name of it. It's a women's clothing line, and it's to empower women. I want them to look good so they feel good and they do good. You know what I'm saying? Do good to themselves and do good to their community. Just put goodness out in the world type situation. And I do believe you can transform that through clothing. You dig? So that's what I'm here to do. And to tell stories of Black women, because we're not all the same. And they love to try to humble us, and they love to try to put us in no bag. But we ain't here for that. We have beautiful stories that need to be told and different personalities. So I'm just like, I really need to get to it. I really need to get to it. So I chose these people so they could, I want them to align with my vision. You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't want to give it out to people or anyone that's just like not in my target, not like in my target audience. My target audience, if you want a custom t-shirt, you can get a custom t-shirt. But I just want it to align to my vision. You know what I'm saying? So I want someone with a platform, you know, is doing something positive and like actually just being themselves and represent Suited. You know what I'm saying? So when I give my stuff out, it's a representation of me type situation, or what I believe in. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna be doing that, and that's cool because y'all gonna be able to see me like go through the whole process of like, well, y'all already know how I go through my process. You design it first, sketch it, then you make it. So I'm gonna be finalizing the list. So I'm only gonna do, I think I'm gonna do one YouTuber, and I'm gonna do, or maybe two YouTubers and one Instagram. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna do Instagram. So one Instagram person to go ahead and send some custom drippity drip to. And if you want some custom drip, let me know. Hit that link down below. Come holler at your girl. Come holler at your girl. So I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe so we can get out there. Yeah, so we can get out there. You hear me? So tell somebody. And then tell them to tell somebody. And tell them to... Yeah, join the gang. Suited Mafiaa. We in this thing. Believe it. Studio Mafiaa, yeah. What up, though, gang? How y'all feeling this thing? Welcome back, y'all. It's so KieKie. You hear me? We stay in our own lane and do our own thing because we like to kill them with kindness. You hear me? Y'all in my closet right now because, as you can see, I'm getting dressed and I'm putting lotion on to show y'all I put lotion on, okay? Period. It's just with the fabric and the oils on your hand, you got to keep washing them. But I ain't going to explain it again. But, nah, I'm about to go to my grandma's house to chill with her. I haven't even seen my grandma in since y'all, what holidays just passed? Christmas. Yes, I haven't seen my grandma since last year, December. So yeah, so I'm about to just go chill with her real quick. But I'm also about to take some content photos like on the way there or something. I don't know, but happy Black History Month, y'all. You did. I'm gonna show y'all the fit. Don't worry, y'all gonna see the behind the scenes of me taking them content photos, and I'm taking myself. But y'all, I'm so excited because while I'm talking, I might as well just go ahead and do my little thing. I'm so excited because I found all my cameras and I finally know how to work all of my cameras. So I'm gonna have a lot more content to show y'all because I was only working with 2 phones and my baby Simone voice. Because yeah, I was only working with 2 phones, so I only could do but so much on them. And the memory get full and I'll get mad and it's just like, bruh. So I found my little small handheld one that I had since 2000, I want to say 2010 or whatever, when I was going the exchange student. When I went to Italy for those 2 months, whatever, I had like a little small one. I would want to like journal, do like a little morning journal, but like I was still going to school, so, and getting up early and doing all these extracurricular activities, so it was really hard for me, but I got the experience, y'all. But I'm gonna talk about that more on my KieKie travel channel, so make sure y'all head over there and go on. I only got like 15 and I'm happy about the 15 because they solid, honey. But nah, just go head over there. It's a little more relaxed type situation. Like I said, I'm an open book. You just gotta ask the right questions. You gotta ask the right questions type situation, and I gotta feel the vibe for one. So over there's a little more lay down. And whatnot, but I'm excited because I'm gonna use camera. So I have that one. I have obviously my work phone. I have a nice little one that probably gotta sit down because I can't see me walking outside with it because it got a yes, I need a haircut because it has the what is it called, a microphone to go to it. And I have my Nikon. And that one is the one that I used to like record a little bit, just a little bit. But since, yeah, I had that. But I'm gonna use that to take my photos and stuff. Yes, y'all, I'm trying to get rid of them black marks under my because, girl, the storm is over. This is everything I'm taking. This and my book bag. And this bag got all the content clothes in it, y'all. So, like, good thing I'm wearing one of them because I would not have made it. And this just is my work stuff and then my hydration at the bottom. I'm so happy about that little water bottle because my other one is like a big one. It'd be like a big gallon one. I'm like, even though I got to fill this up multiple times, it's okay. Because, child, I'll be tired. Now is my, what's it called? Oh, did I get my other watch? Yes, I did. It's my laptop in my bag. And today's gonna be a little chill day, y'all. Like, I'm gonna show y'all like really what I do because other than sewing and stuff, it just be really administrative work. Trying to get everything. Oh, this is my Excedrin. I need to put it in a bag. I'll be putting it in little Ziploc bags so it'll be easier. Make sure I pack some chapstick. I got chapstick everywhere in my closet, in my bathroom, by my bed, my workstation. And I always keep one in my, obviously, coat pocket. Or my pocket. But yeah, y'all, let me show you the little drippy drip if I can. I might show y'all when I get there. We gonna see, or at whatever location I'm gonna go to first, y'all. That's my problem. The thing just be everywhere. Like, I be everywhere. That's alright. And I just came up with this really good design outfit, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. Look at my mommy. Ooh, if I can hold you, girl, I'm on nerves. Look at that beautiful lady. Yeah. Big Zeddy today. But yeah, this is the first fit. Happy Black History Month. Yeah. Yeah, here by myself per usual, which I like. So quiet. I feel people looking at me, and I can see people, but it's all good. Let me see if I can take something from this angle. This is a cute angle. I don't know if it took it. Hopefully it took it. I want to go to sleep so bad. And I might. Cause I might sound nice. Check so. Says Juneteenth, y'all. Alright, let me change my outfit. But if I don't, and this is the end of the vlog, or it's a part of the other vlog, I don't know. I might end up putting all of them together, or both of them together. The one from yesterday and me decluttering and decleaning my house. Well, my studio. Rather. So, that might be what I do. But I hit y'all back in the meantime. Alright, y'all. So, this is the last two outfits I gotta put on. This one is gonna go with the outfits y'all see on my Instagram or on YouTube. So yeah, y'all see my reels. So this one is gonna be the bottoms. They have 2 tops, 1 bottom. This is a whole separate outfit. 2 box your car. But yeah, so that's the one I just took off. Then I got a church outfit in there too, but I ain't gonna pose that one. So yeah, so I'm gonna get back to it.